Since opening its doors, the Bibliotheca Alexandrina has become a symbol of knowledge, learning, and cultural convergence. It is not just a stunning glass building overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. It is a vibrant hub of intellectual and artistic life, where every visitor feels part of humanity's journey through time. Upon entering, the scent of paper and books welcomes you, signaling that this is no ordinary library. It blends the richness of the past with modern innovation. The library houses thousands of books across all disciplines, from literature and philosophy to exact sciences and engineering, alongside extensive collections of rare manuscripts, some dating back centuries. Walking among the towering bookshelves gives visitors a sense of moving through the history of knowledge, where great minds of different eras silently meet within the pages. The library does more than provide books. It creates a full sensory experience with multiple research halls, quiet reading areas, and spaces for scientific and artistic creativity. The library's iconic dome, a unique architectural landmark, overlooks the Mediterranean, giving a sense of openness and freedom. The interior design combines modern elegance with touches of Egyptian heritage, making the visual experience stunning for all who enter. Outdoor gardens offer spaces for relaxation and reflection, with benches overlooking the water, perfect for unwinding after hours of study. Beyond books and manuscripts, the library hosts a variety of cultural events, from workshops for children and youth to international scientific lectures and literary seminars. Each event aims to foster a love of learning and inspire creativity, turning the library into a meeting place for scholars, artists, and researchers from around the world. Moreover, the library includes advanced digital labs and research centers, allowing students and scientists to access knowledge efficiently and accurately.